My name is Anki, high quality pickup truck modification parts manufacturer, deeply cultivating pickup truck refits for 11 years. We serve thousands of American car owners. The main products have 3-door back covers, tent type integrated cover, flat bottom cover, sliding tray, and roller shutter cover. There are 2 materials for you to choose from: aluminum alloy material and galvanized sheet material. The United States, Canada, and Australia markets are widely praised. Cost-effective, the quality is stable and reliable. If you are looking for a professional and reliable manufacturer of pickup parts, follow Anki concurrent message to get product catalog. Start our collaboration.